Boom, what's up? Boom, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a new YouTube video of squishies. I cleaned this squishy already. I was making this a squishy video, but my iPads keep on glitching that it doesn't make the YouTube video very quick. And now, I have to clean, I cleaned this one, and now we're going to clean this duckling. Okay, to clean these squishies, I need a little bit of soap. Hold on, I'm gonna get some soap. Hold on, you need some sticky extra soap. Okay guys, to clean your squishy, let's say if your squishy was very dirty and it was very sticky, this is the, if you really want yours, like let's say if your squishy was very dirty, that means it's not squishy. But you need this kind of soap to dry off, to make it stickier. To make it sticky. And now, okay, put a lot of soap. And now we're gonna rub it. Rub, rub, rub. And now we're gonna take out all of the soapness with some water. And now it's gonna be extra clean very, very soon. Okay, so now right there. Okay, now there we go. It needs a little bit more water. Okay, so now, oh my god, that absolutely scared, oh crap. Sorry guys to say this, but my iPad's wet. Not to say my iPad's wet. Where went my eye? Now I'm deaf. I'm just kidding. I mean, now I'm blind. I meant to say blind, not deaf. If I was deaf, that means I can't hear anything, I can't talk, I can't do anything. All I can do is nothing. Little bit of more water. More water. Okay, there. Now it's extra, extra clean. Now if I rub it. Okay, now it's extra sticky. Ooh, it's squishy on my iPad. You guys can see that pink. Guys, hit that like button if you guys can see that pinkness. It was right up there. All the way up here and right there. Yeah, it was right there. Okay. And now you see this is sticky. Hold on. I can stick it. I can stick it on my iPad. Now it's going to be extra. Now it's going to be extra sticky. Okay, it's extra sticky. I'm going to be doing some more cleaning. This one is extra, not even clean. I'm going to have a little hard time with the purple one because there's actually a purple one. Okay, there's actually a purple pig that I never cleaned. Okay, so now we're going to dip some soap for it. And I'll just, for your squishies to be clean, you need this kind of soap to make your, like, let's say, if you had some squishies and they're dirty and you couldn't, and they're not sticky, you can just do this soap to make it even stickier. And this soap can do anything. And plus, you only need three sprays of this soap. 1, 2, 3. You can put a lot. If you want it to be extra super squishy, then we can put a lot of soap to make it extra squishy. To make it extra sticky, I mean, not squishy. Rub, rub, rub. And clean, 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 clean. Shower. It's gonna shower, and now it's gonna be like this. You only need to count to 20, then we stop putting the water. You count to 20 and then we stop putting the water. And now it's extra squishy. It's extra sticky. Now we're gonna rub, rub, rub. Rub, 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 rub. And a lot. Until it turns sticky. Some of the squishies, when some of the guys, I had to say this, but sometimes when you have these squishies, they can actually melt. Some squishies are actually meant to melt because some squishies have some like those melty things. Like sometimes squishies can be made out of slime. If they're made out of slime, they can melt. Sometimes the squishies let's say, if this one was made out of slime, and it was like this, and when the inside was made out of slime, then it will melt, and then it will turn to purple, black, and red slime, which would be so cool. So you don't really want that. So you really want that to happen. And plus, it's super squishy and soft. I got you. You need a little bit more water. Soap. Soap. And this. And now it's extra squishy. Squishy and soft. Oh, I got famous. Okay, there we go. I cleaned my iPad a little bit just because I don't want to move. Okay, guys, now we're gonna be we did the cleaning. We cleaned these squishies. Now we're gonna be cleaning this cute kitty. Okay, so now I made extra soap. I'm only gonna do 3 drops. And now, water! It's gonna make it extra squishy and moochy. I just made that word up. Moochy doesn't even mean anything. Moochy doesn't even mean anything. Okay, so okay, the head. Okay, so now this squishy is extra squishy and clean. Squishy and clean. And now we're going to be cleaning this thing, this elephant. Now we're going to be putting, okay, so now we're going to be squirting some soap. Soap. Extra squishy and clean. Extra squishy and clean. Extra squishy and clean. Extra squishy and clean. Oh, crap. I almost dropped it in the floor. Okay, guys, now it'll be extra clean. Oh crap! I forgot to make it. And now we rub it. And now do that. And there we go. Pretty squishy. Pretty squishy. Pretty squishy. And boom! An elephant. And now we're gonna, oh crap, I almost. Okay, now we're gonna be cleaning these two. We're gonna be cleaning these two now. We're gonna clean this cute pig. Actually, I kind of don't. I actually like pigs so. I really want to pet pigs so bad. If you guys are doing a like, let's say if one of you guys are a YouTuber and you guys watch my videos, can you please give me a? If you guys have a pet, if you guys have a pet pig and you guys are making a giveaway of a pet pig, can you please give it to me? It's my first video introducing my name. My name is Gavin Vaquero. I was born 6 years ago. I was born 6 years ago. My sister's 12. She was born 12 years ago. My brother's 10. He's about to be 11. My brother's 10. He's about to be 11. And because soon is going to be his birthday, and December, and my sister's birthday already passed. It was in April 20. My birthday is in January 19, the first month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh. Okay, I dip some soap. And now make it extra squishy. I need a little bit more. Okay, now you improve. Oh. Now you introduce yourself. Oh, Tavania. Okay, so this is very clean. Very clean. Clean and boom, a clean pig. Actually, I need to do. Okay, there we go. Now a clean pig. I did a lot of cleaning. I got these squishies on Amazon. They're called squishies. But guys, if you find a packet with these squishies, it comes with this one. And then, wait, where's my hedgehog? Okay. And then basically, my first squishy I ever got was the hedgehog. The hedgehog is brand new. The hedgehog was brand new and I got it. It was like a little squishy. Anyway, we're going to be cleaning this now. It's kind of a crap. I forgot. Okay, so now we're going to be dipping some soap on this one. I will do the panda. I will do this one in just a second. Okay, so now I'll clean this part. Okay, I cleaned, and boom, it's all clean. It's all clean. And now I'm going to be doing the rest of this one. It's probably going to be 1 hour. Okay, now is all extra clean. Okay, I've got to rub. Okay, rub these two. Rub these two. Okay, I rubbed these two. Very good. Okay, these two are all problem solved. Problem solved. Then, okay, there's hair. Okay, so there's some hair on them. Let me take out the hair. I think I didn't do a really great job. I think I didn't really do the great job of cleaning the panda. And guys, I have another panda. This is a blue panda, if you guys are knowing. And I got this one. Now we're going to be cleaning these three. These are the last squishy I have. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be dipping some soap on all of these. Okay, now we're going to be cleaning these three. Cleaning these three. Okay, so now okay guys, now all of these 50 squishies. How much are they? Okay. Yeah, there's a little bit of them. But introduce yourself. These all squishies. Anyway, guys, I have this curvy squishy. It was miles away from the Bronx, New York. And guys, I'll just end it off here. I don't have enough time because I'm gonna call my cousin soon. I have his phone number. Okay, so guys, I'll just end it off here. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash like button and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Peace.